Hey everyone, we're doing something really fun today. We're going to change the boot logo on your computer. That's the little image or logo you see when your PC starts up. Whether you want to make it look cooler or just show off your tech skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started. As always, we'll start from the very beginning. First, we need to make sure your BIOS mode supports UEFI. That's important because only UEFI supports custom boot logos. Legacy BIOS doesn't support this feature properly. Here's how to check it. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. The Run dialog will open. Type Info32 and press OK. The System Information window will open. Look for the BIOS mode option and confirm that it says UEFI. If it doesn't support UEFI, I'm really sorry. This video won't work for your system. Next, we need to make sure the logo image is the right size and format. Most systems require the image to be 1920 by 1080 pixels and in BMP format. If it's not the right size or format, it may not display correctly during boot. Here's how to adjust it. In the bottom left search bar, type Paint. Open the Paint app. Before adding your logo, click on Resize. Choose Pixels. And uncheck the Maintain Aspect Ratio box. Set horizontal to 1920 and vertical to 1080. Then press OK. Now choose a background color. I'm going with black because it blends better with the default dark boot screen. To do this, click the color icon. Choose black from the color palette. Now it's time to add your actual logo. Click File. When File menu appear, then select Open. Select the image you want to use as your boot logo. Once it opens, select the logo. Again, click Resize. Select Pixels and set horizontal and vertical to around 300. I'm using 500 for this example. Uncheck Maintain Aspect Ratio and click OK. Now it's finally saved the logo as a BMP file. Click File. Hover over Save As. Choose BMP Picture. Rename the file to splash.bmp. Some tools specifically require this name. Click Save. Now we'll use a free tool called HackBGRT to change the boot logo. Open your browser and search for HackBGRT. Go to the first GitHub link. On the right side under Releases, click the latest version link. Scroll down and download the first available zip file. Once downloaded, open the file, right-click and choose Extract All. Uncheck the Show Extracted Files when complete option. Click Extract. A new HackBGRT folder will appear. Now go to the newly created HackBGRT folder. Inside, you'll find a file named Splash. Replace it with your new logo. Go to your new logo location and copy your new logo. Paste it into the HackBGRT folder. Choose Replace the file in the destination when pop-up appear. You can double-click the Splash image to make sure it's the one you just added. Find the setup.exe file inside the HackBGRT folder. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. A command prompt window will open. Type I and press Enter to install. Once installed, restart your computer and enjoy your new custom boot logo in action. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.